Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves you from the nightmare of buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with a face-off between the ATTOP Drone and the SOTAONE S350 Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Flying saucer. First up, camera quality. The ATTOP Drone boasts a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. That's like having a mini IMAX theater in the sky. Perfect for those who want to capture every leaf on a tree from 292 feet away. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 offers a respectable 1080p camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable angle. Not bad, but it's like comparing a Hollywood blockbuster to a home movie. Reviewers appreciate the ATTOP's high-resolution camera, but mention issues with the app, while SOTAONE's camera is praised for its decent quality given the price. Next, ease of use. The ATTOP Drone is like that overachieving student who does everything right. One-button takeoff/landing, altitude hold, 3 speeds, and even a 1-key return. It's practically begging you to fly it. On the flip side, the SOTAONE S350 is like the cool kid who just wants to have fun. It has altitude hold, 1-key takeoff, land, headless mode, and 3-speed options. Both are great for beginners, but the ATTOP is like having a drone with a PhD in user-friendliness. Reviewers find the ATTOP easy to control once you get used to it, though some had initial difficulties, while the SOTAONE is praised for its ease of learning and clear instructions. Now, let's talk fun factor. The ATTOP Drone offers 360 degrees flips, voice control, gesture selfies, and even VR compatibility. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But wait, the SOTAONE S350 isn't backing down. It brings 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, fixed-point circle fly, and a whole lot more. It's like a drone on a sugar rush. Reviewers love the SOTAONE's fun tricks and stunts despite its smaller size, while the ATTOP's variety of features is also highly appreciated. Battery life and safety. Because nobody wants a drone that dies mid-flight or slices through your favorite plant. Both the ATTOP and SOTAONE come with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you up to 20 minutes of flight time. But the ATTOP's got a low battery warning and emergency stop, so it's like having a drone with a built-in mom. The SOTAONE, with its propeller guards and foldable design, is super kid-friendly. It's like the drone version of bubble wrap. Reviewers of the ATTOP note the short battery life but appreciate the safety features, while SOTAONE reviewers mention its durability and suitability for children. Summing up the reviews, the ATTOP Drone is praised for its camera quality and user-friendliness, though it has some app-related issues and short battery life. The SOTAONE S350 is valued for its affordability, fun features, and durability, making it a great starter drone despite its manual camera adjustment and limited battery life. So, there you have it. The ATTOP Drone is perfect for those who want top-notch camera quality and ease of use, while the SOTAONE S350 is the go-to for those looking for an affordable, fun-packed flying experience. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong. But remember, fly smart, buy smart. Helicopter, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which drone you think takes the cake and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying, Scissor.